Well, this past week has not been a good week for femurs. First, it was Duffy, Hayden Deegan's mechanic, and now Axell Hodges, who apparently riding in the dunes must have crashed somehow. Obviously, that's a given. Crashed somehow and broke his femur, which, if you didn't know, is the longest and the. This is from Google. As I'm reading this, it's the thigh bone, the femur, is the longest and the strongest bone in the human body. And it says, if you look it up, it's 4,000 newtons of force, which is just a measure of force. 4,000 newtons of pressure to break a thigh bone. That's incredible. And oh, it's not good though. But at the end of this video, disclaimer: I am putting the picture of the X-ray and of his leg, which is nasty. Apparently, obviously, he had to be helicoptered out of this, and it sucks because something like this is going to take a long time to heal up from, and for someone who like Axel, I mean, for anybody, for any athlete, anybody, something like that, your whole life revolves around what you do. Going into the desert, making videos or just riding and making videos, your whole life revolves around that. It's your hobby, your work, your interest, your, livelihood, everything. And to have to put a stop on something like this for 2, 3 months, who knows? Apparently, he has already had surgery to have it fixed. So now it's just a waiting game. And personally, I like Axell Hodges. I think he's, one of those just like cool guys. He gets on a bike, he does some hilariously impressive things that most people could never even dream of. And he's just kind of like the typical bike dude, at least from what I've watched from the outside. Obviously, I've never met him, I don't know him. So take that all with a grain of salt. But hopefully he heals up. Hopefully Duffy heals up. Hopefully you don't see any more femur breaks because nobody wants that. And I don't know. In the comments below, you'll never see this, Axel. I know you won't, but in the comments below, go wish him luck or go to his Instagram, whatever, and wish him luck. And while you're down there, like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. Like I said, go check out his stuff, go watch his videos, go check out his Instagram, whatever. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.